Hello there, I'm Calvin, and it is a pleasure that you're here today. Without wasting any much time, I'm just going straight to the point. Okay, today I'm going to talk about how to get yourself out of the tutorial black hole. This situation whereby you keep on watching tutorial more and more, but you don't do anything. I made a video previously how to identify if you are really or truly stuck in a tutorial black hole. It is in the description below. You can check it out just to feed your curiosity. But the video today, I'm just gonna show you how you can get yourself out of this dreaded tutorial black hole. Actually, it is really simple. It is just as simple as the top trying to solve the problem you don't actually have right now, the problem that you don't currently have, aka virtual problems. I mean this problem whereby you are told in the actual tutorial that you will have in the future. An example, I'm just gonna give an example which is simple, especially which I've posted this video here, so I'm just going to give you an example that most of YouTubers face here. Like example, you are a YouTuber, you want to start a YouTube channel, right? And you go online to search, read and watch a video concerning how to create a YouTube channel, right? You just read that, and then ideally a good tutor will be telling you, okay, now you know how to create a YouTube channel, now let's go and know how to brand your channel, how to optimize your channel, and that's it. You are stuck. That's a bait. Now, instead of going and starting your channel, you are going to waste more time to read how to brand your channel. But who told you that you need to brand your channel, right? If you don't have a channel, what are you going to brand? This is where you start getting stuck, step by step, until you are lost and the process starts again and repeat, and that's it. But don't worry though. I'm going to show you step by step on how to get yourself out of this tutorial black hole. Number one, identify the problem that you want to solve. Like, why do you want to read the tutorial? What do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? Now, number two, do your research. This point is whereby you go to the actual website, you search on YouTube, you Google, where is the best place I can get a really good tutorial about a topic that you are interested in. Maybe you want to do programming, okay, you want to set a blog, you want to create a YouTube channel, you want to do a recipe or something. There is a lot of things that you may be wanting, you may be interested in doing. So search online and know where is the place I can get really good tutorial, and check the tutorial. Are they the best tutorial out there? Okay, do they have the best rating? You know, the ones with the best value, the one which are going to give you the best value for your time. And then number two, now read or watch the actual tutorial. And this is really very important, and be very keen here. An example, you want to create a program, right? You want to start a blog. Here, that I know you have done your research by now, and you know you've chose the best tutorial out there that is going to give you the best value concerning the topic that you're searching for, right? So read the first tutorial concerning that thing that you want to do. If you're not satisfied, go to the next one concerning that actual topic about starting that thing that you want to do. If you're not satisfied by then, get that little thing that you have there and start doing immediately. Now let's go to number four. Go and start. The little knowledge that you have there, go and then just start. Don't wait. Don't read the next tutorial, because the moment you start reading the next tutorial, that's when you're going to start to be stuck. But in this video, we are trying to avoid getting stuck in the tutorial stage. And then number five, if you go and start, if you go and create your YouTube channel, if you go and write your first program, you must face a problem, a real problem. This is the point whereby you will start to go again to the tutorial that you chose, the research which you did above, right? You go to the place, okay, you go to the next video. They will tell you like, okay, cool, now we talk about optimizing your videos, but now you have the actual video on your channel. So you will be going to actually trying to solve the problem that you have. You have the videos, you are going to optimize the video that you have. You have the articles on your blog. You will going to do the SEO on that blog. Okay, you have written your first program. You are going to make it run faster. How you can use less characters and stuff like that, as in to make it more efficient. This is now where you start moving on. You start actually doing and starting to build. That's all for today, and kindly consider subscribing and like this video, comment. This thing, they really help the channel and it help us grow, and it also motivate me to keep on putting out the important stuff like this for you. And also you can go and check out the previous video if you're interested, and I'm also gonna put out a new video soon. And have a lovely time. Go and start, okay? Get out of that tutorial black hole.